Hey, science explorers! Ever wondered what the future is made of? Forget flying cars at least for a moment, because today we're diving into the incredible materials that are shaping tomorrow. Get ready to be amazed by these 5 superpowered substances. They could truly change everything we know and use. First up, we have graphene, the superhero of materials. Imagine a single layer of carbon atoms arranged like a perfect honeycomb. It's incredibly strong, even stronger than steel, yet also super flexible. This unique combination of properties makes it truly remarkable. Think of it as the ultimate building block for countless innovations. From super-fast electronics to flexible screens, graphene holds immense promise. It could revolutionize everything from medical devices to energy storage. The potential applications are vast and exciting. Graphene is so thin, you could say it's sheetly amazing. Its atomic scale structure gives it unparalleled characteristics. Next, we're floating on over to aerogel, often nicknamed frozen smoke. This stuff is incredibly lightweight, almost like a cloud you can hold. It's made by carefully removing the liquid from a gel, leaving behind a highly porous, airy structure. This process creates its unique properties. Aerogel is an amazing insulator, meaning it excels at keeping things hot or cold. Its internal structure traps air, preventing heat transfer. This makes it ideal for extreme environments. It's used in everything from spacesuits to cleaning up oil spills, showcasing its versatility. Its low density and high thermal resistance are unmatched. Aerogel truly pushes the boundaries of material science. It's so light, it's practically airborne. This material continues to inspire new engineering solutions. Prepare to be dazzled by nanodiamonds. These tiny diamonds are not just for bling. They possess extraordinary capabilities. They are incredibly tough and durable, despite their microscopic size. Their unique structure gives them immense strength. Nanodiamonds can be used in medicine, for targeted drug delivery, and in advanced electronics. They offer precision at the nanoscale. They can even be incorporated into materials to make super strong coatings. This enhances durability and performance in various products. They're like the tiny titans of the material world, packing a powerful punch in a small package. Their potential is truly immense. These microscopic marvels are definitely a girl's best rock. They are opening up new frontiers in science and technology. Now, let's talk about something truly mind-blowing. Metallic hydrogen. This material exists only under extreme conditions. Scientists believe that under immense pressure, hydrogen can transform into a metal. This is a state rarely observed on Earth. This metallic hydrogen could be a game changer for energy and propulsion. Its theoretical properties are astounding. It could potentially revolutionize energy storage, offering incredibly efficient solutions. Imagine batteries with unprecedented capacity. It might even serve as a super efficient rocket fuel, propelling us further into space. This would transform space exploration. The quest to create and stabilize metallic hydrogen continues. It's so powerful it could hydrogen us to a whole new level of technology. Finally, we have a bonus material that's still in development, but holds incredible promise. Self-healing concrete. Imagine concrete that can repair its own cracks. This innovative material is achieved by embedding tiny capsules within the concrete mixture. These capsules contain a special healing agent. When cracks appear due to stress or wear, the capsules break open. They then release the healing agent into the damaged area. This agent reacts with the concrete, effectively mending the damage from within. It's a truly ingenious solution to a common problem. This could make our buildings and infrastructure last significantly longer. It would reduce maintenance costs and resource consumption. It also makes our structures more sustainable and resilient. Self-healing concrete is like having a built-in band-aid for our cities. So, there you have it. 5 materials that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Each one offers a glimpse into a future we're only just beginning to imagine. These amazing substances are just a glimpse into the future of technology. Scientists are constantly discovering and engineering new materials. Who knows what incredible materials scientists will discover next? The pace of innovation is truly breathtaking. The possibilities are endless, and the future is looking incredibly bright thanks to these advancements. We are on the cusp of a material revolution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing science adventures. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your support helps us create more fun, educational, and inspiring content every week.